What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On1600 here. We're gonna install an aftermarket shift knob on a G35 sedan. It's automatic, so all the videos out there kind of suck. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it the cool way. So here's my shift knob. Here's the aftermarket one. All right. Okay, so this is the kit I got for my car. This is what it came with. It came with like some grommet things, a spring, the shift knob itself that it comes apart is 2 pieces to it. Yeah, there's 2 pieces to it. The top that comes off and stuff, and this is the actual things that attaches to it. All right, let's get into it. For your old shift knob off, you'd have to unclip this. When you take this off, there's a little clip that is right there that you take off. You just kind of push it out and it fucking flew. Holy hell. Alright, so that flew out, so then it just pops right off. So yeah, this is what it looks like without everything. And yeah, there it looks like it looks so plain.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Oh.
So you have to put these little grommet things on. So I put the smallest one and it got stuck. So yeah, I can't actually take it off without pulling the whole thing off. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that on there. And we're chilling. Rip your old shift knob though. It looks so fucking huge. Damn, my thing's not even clicking no more. Oh, my thing cracked. So yeah, I do need a new shift knob. This thing's fucking cracked right here. You'd want to get this piece and put it all the way down. You want to get the screws that came with the kit. You'd want to get the screws that came with the kit, and you'd want to put them in there. So yeah, you'd want to just screw them in just enough to catch the thread. You'd want to put this piece on top like that and adjust it to however you'd like it. I'd like mine sitting very low, so I put mine to very low. And then you'd want to grab this, your Allen wrench, and start tightening. You'd want to start tightening until you can't anymore, because you don't want this coming loose while driving. That'd be awkward. Then you want to grab your spring that came with the kit and throw that right over. And then you want to grab your lid and sort of compress it all together. Yeah, and like that. And just screw it all together until it can't screw on anymore. Alright, so here's your shift knob. So there's my shift knob. Looks pretty nice for what I paid for it. Little loose, but I did pay $11 for this, so I can't expect the best quality. Better than this, better than stock for sure, with my crack and everything. It's a little loose, nothing crazy. Yeah, but there you go. There's the aftermarket shift knob for your automatic car. So let's try rolling through the gears. Look, the reverse, neutral, drive. Works, everything works. Feels a little loose, but hey, I did pay $11 for this, so I'm not complaining. It's a lot cleaner than pushing the button in. It's a lot cleaner than doing that. Yeah, shift knob does look a little plain, so I probably will end up taking it off and doing a little custom work to it, because it does look a little plain to this. It basically looks it basically looks the same in my opinion. So I might just end up taking it off and spray painting it or something. Maybe I'll do a DIY. So yeah, there's how you put an aftermarket shift knob on your automatic car. Yeah, that's how it looked.
Cari, ya sé que estuve mal, te descuidé y ahora no estás. solamente